Quick technical video for the quasidb service for the 31st of July 2020, last day of the month, last day of the week. I thought I'd just start with the indices, just DAX and the Dow. I don't know if you saw my video from early on in the week. I was saying to be careful with this level, which is your ABCD, and it would be like a line in the sand. So 12845 was the level of interest. I was saying it could be bullish or bearish below, and see what happened here on the horizontal. The big fall on that line, and so it's not a coincidence or anything like that. That was a key support. It was a bearish ABCD before, so that was your bias. So you'd sell because of the harmonic, and the risk sentiment was leaning towards sell as well, which I've been saying all week. So there's that rejection and support break, and we are actually at the 38.2 at 12254, and your support is 12426, and your resistance is now 12770. Dow Jones, there's your B support, XAUUSD. There's your B. We're currently below. You can see how last hour's candle hit it. Which we did just poke above just slightly, but that's going to be resistance. So if you're trading this one, it's 26439. So there's your resistance there. We see we've got like a channel, descending channel. Pitchfork is descending, so that's your median line. So it might fall down here, find some support. Just a quick one on cable. Let's have a look. So your resistance is 13212, your support is 13100, so a round number. Sending pitchfork, sending channel, bullish sequence. Euro pound, so it's going quite well. Got a bearish harmonic there, bearish Gartley. There's your 38.2 break, and there's your lower support break. See, there's a confluence there, which is quite handy. Just to get confluences for confidence, really. That would have been a good resistance, and it's proven to be a good resistance too. So 38.2 extension, 90.26 breaks this, then we'll have some confluence here at that line, which is 8984. It breaks that, and then we'll have horizontal support and horizontal support. So it's good because it's obeying the Gartley, so potentially a break. Euro dollar. So we had this median line. It's quite old. It's a month old now. It's a month and 10 days. So there's your line of interest. There's your support, A, B, C, D, and there's your resistance, 119.05, and support 117.98. So it's respecting the pitchfork pretty much bang on. So maybe we'll see like a test of this. We have probably well overextended anyway. The monthly resistance 3 is quite a bit lower, so we just overdone it a little bit. And if you look at the RSI and stuff like that, then we have kind of overexceeded. Aussie dollar, zoom in. So 7199 resistance, 7182 support. There's your support on that ABCD. We might have a break, but we see we did break below the pitchfork, then we just surged above, so it might happen again. So something to have to keep an eye on. But there's your support there, 7182. It breaks that, we'll test this pitchfork again, and we might see a repeat. Gold. Now your line of interest is 2013. That's remained unchanged. This is still intact, the various ABCD, but that will break and validate if we go above 2013.32. 1983 is resistance, 1969 is your support. Zoom in perhaps, don't think it's going to help much. Yeah, so it's just pretty bullish pitchfork channel. just at the bearish ABCD, but it might break. It all depends what the retail do. If they try and sell it, up it will go. Dollar yen. So how are we looking? We've got a 38.2 support at 104.83, and we had a shift channel low support 104.25. So this is currently resistance. This is your support, but I think it might bounce. See how price respected that diagonal, the 38.2. One time there, there. Not so much here, but I mean it's hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So keep an eye on 104.83. Could be a strong resistance, and perhaps if we get a break of that, then we'll come down to 103.52. And then if we break that, we go to 102.20. And we break 102.20, then we'll have 97.92. So yeah, just a quick one really. I didn't get any feedback what pairs you want me to look at and stuff. So do let me know if you want me to look at anything. Some of you are trading the pound yen and stuff, but I don't know if you want me to analyze it. AJ is a diagonal break, which is your dragon, so that's bearish below. We did overextend the pitchfork. We did break the channel, so that's currently bearish on the daily. So keep an eye on your risk sentiment and stuff. And last but not least, do the pound yen, because I know people are trading it in the quasidb. Bearish 3 drives, it's quite rare. 2, 3. You don't see them all that often. They're usually quite good. So how are we looking? 13786. So if we do crack above that, that invalidates this. That should be quite a strong resistance. Pitchfork is narrow, so it might break. We zoom in. Oh, of course. Right, so this is your shift channel top. So that was resistance and possibly a support. 13747, 13753, and then obviously 13786. If we break above that, it validates this, and that would be quite bullish. Yeah, so they are levels. And just a quick one really, and have a good Friday. I'm looking to potentially tweak the signals so we get a faster delivery. But it looks like I need to do some coding, so I need to study that on the weekend. But failing that, we'll just use the IFTTT, and that was working okay before anyway. So it's all about the swiftness of the delivery of the signals. It should be instant. So I'm doing that on the weekend, and yeah, have a good one. I'm taking it fairly easy today. It's quite warm, so let me know if you want any charts, and I'm more than happy to oblige.